Hi everyone! Today we will install a bathroom TV in the sauna. This is the first installation of AVEL TVs in these conditions. We have this Harvey stove which will generate heat and humidity. It has a humidifier and the temperature range will be from 60 to 80 degrees Celsius. We will see how the TV works in the real conditions. As of the installation, what we have done here is that niche to install our back box first. It has aluminum foil here to protect the wall from the humidity. And what is important is to keep that ventilation to let the warm air dissipate and cool down the back of our TV. We will put the mains connection here, so this is a small additional niche to put the power adapter, and also we will hide here Xiaomi Mi Box Android unit. So the back box is installed and fixed on the sides by these screws, and we put Xiaomi Mi Box and power adapter here. As of connections, we will only use HDMI cable and the power. There is no aerial antenna because we will just use Wi-Fi to get all the channels and all the apps by smart TV. We are connecting our TV to the mains and to Xiaomi Mi Box via HDMI cable. After that, we will install the lid, which will protect our interfaces from water ingress. The lid is fixed by 5 bolts and provides full protection against water. The cables in the bottom of the TV are fixed tight by the rubber sponge. The TV is installed now and connected to Xiaomi Mi Box. We can control everything via this original remote of Xiaomi Mi Box, and you may the same way connect our TV to any Android box like Amazon Stick or other. They will work and communicate via HDMI CEC protocol. That's very convenient. You can adjust the volume and you may turn on and off the TV. So, we will come back again soon. After all the works are done here, we will start the stove and see how our TV works in reality with the steam and temperature. So, see you!